Hey there, I'm Vanessa, and last week I woke up at 3 a.m. and it was really hot. Turned out that the AC was broken. I live in the south and I knew that I had to get this thing fixed really fast or the next day was gonna be really bad because of the heat. And I also have a newborn, so that would not be good for it. I immediately went online and started looking for 24-hour emergency AC repair. I called several companies and none of them answered me, and so I started to get upset about it. Then I actually found air conditioning experts and they answered my phone call, and in short time they called me back. So the next morning they showed up at my house. They repaired my AC in no time. They were really fast, and I was surprised about it. They saved my life and my baby's life because I don't think we could stand the heat. It gets really hot. So I actually recommend air conditioning experts for anyone with emergency AC problems.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I want to tell you what a great experience we had with air conditioning experts. You see, we bought our home about 9 years ago, and we still had both of our old, inefficient contractor-grade AC units that came with the house. They were really costing us a fortune in electricity bills, so we decided it was time to upgrade to newer, high-efficiency units. Well, new air conditioning units are expensive, but after shopping around for a while, we found air conditioning experts. They came out and gave us a free estimate, a free service call, and when we decided to do business with them, they gave us a great price and great service. So now we have two brand new energy efficient air conditioning units that are cooling our house better than ever and saving us close to 40% a month on our electricity bill. They're awesome, and I highly recommend air conditioning experts.
Yeah, I'm Scott, and I own a couple of restaurants here in town, and I got here yesterday and we realized that our air conditioning system had conked out, and in the restaurant business, that doesn't usually make for a good customer experience. Problem is, our last experience with a local air conditioning company was a total nightmare, so I did a quick Google search and I found air conditioning experts. I called them up, explained my situation. They showed up in a few hours, on time, prepared, and they were so professional. A couple of hours and a few parts later, they had my unit back up and running, and we were able to get the whole dining room cooled back down for dinner, and that was absolutely fantastic. They did a great job, and Air Conditioning Experts is my new commercial AC repair company.
I've worked real hard to build up my real estate portfolio. I own different houses as well as large multi-resident buildings, and without fail, every summer, especially in the first heat wave, I get tons of calls for air conditioning. And as a landowner and a real estate investor, those are things I just have to take care of. Now, I've been using air conditioning experts for a couple of years now, and I'm totally pleased with them. They are, just like their name says, experts on air conditioning, but they also handle my heating as well. They've been really good for me. They're prompt. They give me the correct estimate. They break it down to me what it is that I need. And so it's really clear. The billing is just fantastic. And for someone like me who's really meticulous about details, it just meets my standard. I'm loving the professionalism, the quality work that they do. Air conditioning experts is my go-to people. No matter where my property is, I just call them and they take care of everything promptly and real efficiently. And I just love the work of air conditioning experts. They're absolutely the best.